Good morning, guys. I hope you're doing alright. So here we have a new video about sets. Okay, and now we're going to talk about subsets. So we will see what a subset is, and we'll see some examples. So first of all, we are going to see the definition of subsets. When we define a set, if we take pieces of that set, we can form what is called a subset. So A is a subset of B if and only if every element of A is in B. So the elements of a subset must be included in the general set. So here we have a question that says, is A a subset of B where A equals 1, 3, and 4, and B is 1, 4, 3, and 2. So the question is A a subset of B? So we are going to look at the elements of A, and we see that 1 belongs to A, is a part of A, and 1 is also a part of B. Okay, so one element has the condition that belongs to both sets. So here we have this is an element included in both sets. Then we go on with 3. Number 3 belongs to A, and 3 belongs to A. And the next one, 4, belongs to A as well as B. So all the elements of A are part of the set B. So we can say, yes, A is a subset of B. So in this case, we're going to use this notation. This is A is a subset of B. So let's see other example, okay? If we have, for example, a set like C equals curly brackets, and here we have 1, 7, 9, and we have B equals 1, 7, and 12. So we're going to write the following question. Is C a subset of B? So let's see. Is C a subset of B? We're going to see if all the elements of C are included in B. We will check that. So 1 belongs to C as well as B. So here we have the first condition. We have this. 7 belongs to C as well as B. But 9 is not included in B. So the answer is C is not a subset of B because one element of C is not included in B, right? So for example, let's see other set. If we have A equals 5, 1 over 4, we have here a fraction. And we have B equals 1 over 4, 5, 10, 14, 20. So in this case, is A a subset of B? So we will see. 5 is included in the set A and also in the set B. 1 over 4 is included in A as well as B. So here we can check that A is a subset of B. Or we can say much better with this notation, which is very used here, commonly used. We can say A is a subset of B. All right. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's check the next slide. belonging to a set. Okay guys, so also when we say an element A is in a set A, we use the symbol belongs. This letter is belongs to show it. And if something is not in a set, we use doesn't belong. Okay? So in this case, we have the set A is 1, 2, and 3. So we can see that 1 belongs to A, but 5 doesn't belong to A. So it's very easy. We only see if the element is included in the set A or not. If it's included, we can say that belongs to that set, but if be so, okay guys, so here we have, sorry, there was a problem with the connection, and here we have, okay, so the element 1 belongs to A because it's included in the set A. But let's see this set that we already have here, the set B. Can we say 6 belongs to A? Can we say this? No, because 6 is not included in B. So we use doesn't belong to A, okay, with this sign, alright? So doesn't belong to A. So the belonging of a set is only looking at the elements of the set and say if they are included or not, if it belongs or not. Okay, very easy. So let's go ahead with the next one. Okay, so here we have an activity to practice, and you can do it by yourself. Write 8 examples of sets which include elements in common. So elements in common. So these sets include numbers. So the elements in common are numbers. Or we can use a set such as, for example, we can have a set Z equals. This is not integers, not exactly in this case. We can use, for example, notebooks, pencils, computers. Okay, what do they have in common? These elements. So these elements are commonly used in a school. Okay, they are academic elements that we need for learning activities. Okay, so this is an example of a set, and you can invent any type. Write 3 examples of finite, infinite, and unitary sets. Remember, we already talked about it, and we said that a finite set is a set that includes, you can count the members of the set. So these are finite sets because we don't have infinite numbers here. We only have 3 in this case, 3. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets, alright? So this is a finite set. An infinite set, for example, could be the integer set that we have from minus infinite, negative 1,000, 3,000 to the positive numbers. Okay, that could be anyone. If we have A equals this set, is B, 3, 4, and 12 a subset of A? Remember the condition. These numbers must be included in the set A. So you decide if B is a subset of A. Considering the set A, look at these numbers, write down 5 possible subsets of A. Remember, you can choose some groups of elements from the set A and write 5 different possibilities. Okay, so you're ready to do it. Okay, so let's go on with the last slide. And here we have an activity. Okay, this activity will be included in Classroom, so you will be ready to do it. Which of the following is the set of all suits in a standard deck of playing cards? So you can see the elements, you see if they have characteristics in common, and you decide if they are a set. Looking at the relation between the elements, okay, you can decide that. Which of the following is the set of odd whole numbers less than 10? Remember the whole numbers, okay, from 0 to infinite, but it's less than 10. So which of these elements have this condition? Which of the following is the set of all oceans on Earth? So you're supposed to know this from social studies. I guess you do. So let's take a look at these sets and choose the best answer. Okay? Which of the following is the set of all types of matter? Okay? Natural science. Okay? You can check if these elements have this condition to compound a set. All right? Okay, guys. So that's it so far. I hope you understood this really well, and we stop it just right now, and we continue next video with the operations with sets. All right. So check the PowerPoint presentation. Look carefully at the video. Watch the video again if you have questions, and if you have just specific questions, you can send me an email or something. All right. Okay. Have a great day. See you later, alligator.